What's all that noise? Is someone having a pool party without— Whoa, 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 whoa!
Dad, are you okay?
I'm fine. But seriously, why is our kitchen a swimming pool?
Ben, Lily, can you please set the table for dinner? We're having spaghetti.
But Mom, can we play first? Just a little bit? Ben, you know we have to help. Mom's been cooking all day. Fine, but I'm setting the table with the water hose. Pew pew!
Ben, absolutely not. That hose is for washing dishes, not playing.
But it's so much fun! Ben, stop it! You're getting water everywhere. Relax, Lily. I'm a water ninja. Whoosh!
Ben, put that down right away. You're gonna break some...
Uh-oh! Mom! The pipe broke! Ben! I told you to stop! Now water is spraying everywhere!
Oh, no! Everyone stay calm. Where's the main valve?
What's all that noise? Is someone having a pool party without— Whoa, 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 whoa!
Dad! Are you okay?
I'm fine. But seriously, why is our kitchen a swimming pool?
Ben broke the pipe under the sink. Lily, grab all the towels you can find. Noah, help me find the water shutoff valve.
Valve? Where's the valve? Oh, here it is. There, water's off.
The water stopped, but look at this mething is soaked.
Ben, come here. Look at what happened.
I'm sorry, Mom. I was just playing. I didn't mean to break it.
I know you didn't mean to, but playing with water fixtures is dangerous.
And I've got a new bruise to add to my collection. Ow!
Dad, you slipped 3 times already. Maybe just sit down?
Sit down? In this puddle? That's just asking for trouble.
Don't play with the kitchen hose?
Exactly. And what else?
If you break something, tell an adult right away so we can fix it faster.
That's right. And always ask before touching things that aren't toys.
And always make sure your dad has a towel to wipe his tail before he walks in.
Dad, you're a cat, not a rat.
Touché, little man. Touché.
All right, everyone grab a mop, a bucket, and some towels. We're all cleaning this up together.
I'll get the big towels from the hallway closet. I'll get the mop. I promise I'll be careful this time.
And I'll get the rubber duck. Have a flood, we might as well have a proper bath.
Noah, stop joking and help me wring out these towels.
But seriously, I'm proud of you two. You made a mistake, you owned up to it, and now you're helping fix it. That's what family does.
Thanks, Dad. And sorry, Mom. I'll listen better next time.
That's all I ask, sweetie. Now let's get this kitchen dry so we can eat. I'm thinking we order pizza tonight.
Pizza? In a wet kitchen?
That's just asking for soggy crust. Dad, that wasn't even funny.
It was a little funny.
It was a little funny.
All right, everyone, mops up. Let's go.